Hello guys. Hello my people. Good evening everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening everybody. Oh. Good evening everybody. Please share this video out guys. Good evening my beautiful people. My Juju, Juliet. Good evening. Good evening everybody. Please share this video out guys. If you are coming in, please don't forget to share this video guys. How not day, how not day, how not day, how not day, how not day. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening to you all. Good evening, wherever you are watching me from. So my people, how not day? I hope not day. Please share this video. Share. Which message be this one again? Hello. No wahala, my Juliet. No problem. Good evening, everybody. Emily, you are welcome. Good evening, good evening. Please share this video out, guys. If you are coming in, please don't forget to share this video. Please don't forget to share. Don't forget to share, guys. Share this video as you can, guys. As you are coming in, pop, champagne, pop. Please share, my beautiful people. How not there? Hope not there for you. Please share, guys. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Hello, my darling. I'm coming, guys. Please share this video. Please share, my people. I'm coming. Let me bring your cup for you. I know, say by the time you wake up. I know. I'm coming. Let me bring your cup for you. I'm coming. Please, I'm coming, guys. Let me fill the bottle. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, guys, how not day? Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, my people. Please, as you are coming in, please don't forget to share this video, guys. Please share, my lovely people. How not day? Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. This Vera TV program in the building. How not day? Share, guys. Please just help me to share this video, guys. Help me to share this video. So my people, how not done? I will see my ogmo again. I not say they say me I not get topic now. False now. But all na still matter on a topic. I'm going to talk out the way. Good evening, my big mommy, mommy Millie. Good evening, ma. Please share this video as you are coming in. Share. And I buy in best high Lolekia. Now one can give as in whether na warning, I be na advice, I be na me as in as na warning go call I be na mo will lecture her, I be mo will straight her. I don't really which one will go put on. I go one analyze wetin she talk to them when they send me the video. I no fit see am. I won't know the one who want give her for inside my beautiful people. Yes, good evening, good evening. Please share this video, guys. Please, as we're coming in, please share this video. Yes, darling. Yo, love you. Yeah, drink, yeah. So, my people, share this video as they come. God will bless you. Now, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. Thank you for coming in. Please share this video, my lovely people. God will continue to bless you all. So now, Lolekia will still put mass more for this guy called Frank Victor. Yes, we'll talk on step by step. Go reach Gladys as well. So, but first for four, Lolekia now I want to talk to. You understand? Because that lady, whether I get with it, they shop and because for this social media, I hate who they rake. What I can't hate pass for this life, is raking. Well, as soon as see me so, now I tell like me, Monica not dey lie you. My Monica wanna see so, she know dey lie, she know dey rake. But una see Lolekia, oh my God. You get video when he do today, me and no queen, they send her for me. When the money takes one. When she does see start her rake. When she does see start her rake. Whether people don't get eye, may they know the kind of person when Lolekia really be for this social media aspect. May they know who she really be. Because that woman has also lie, she dey lie up and down. So my people, she come outside, begin they carry mat, they go, you know. Now so she take they look for trouble. And nobody lie reach this woman. Lolekia, many people never still understand that woman. I thank God for people when it be say they begin to fight for and they think a better person. Later they can't know the kind of person when she be. She full of lie and she full of pretend. If she don't do evil finish, she will come outside and sing. God is this, God is that. I fear people when they say they don't do evil finish. They use their own they disturb God Almighty when they they use their own mind or their own they disturb God when they on their own. So my beautiful people, where they try to turn a video when she do today when Lolekia do. I they walk, lie walk when Lolekia they walk. We not really know where Lolekia for real they walk. So lie she they lie up and down. So my beautiful people, and two, Lolekia na kind of person, she know how to rake, she know how to lie, she can rake. She can rake for Africa, my beautiful people. Wetin happen be say, wetin happen, my people? When I not say one time like that when Matt they go last year. Now say you go deport that person. Now say you not go bow enter UK. Now say you not go bow do this. Lolekia, imagine people knows that people don't know your lie. People know. Please share this video, guys. Not that people don't really know the kind of fly you are lying on social media. People know very well. Say those haters when see be like you now that they support you. When she come outside that time, she not go bow enter UK. She not go bow do this one. If you take enter here, it go kind of back on you beneath. Why you they rake? I they shame for you because this social media is a play. They say, wait till you talk. You know, if you forget, people will watch the video, not they forget. When the time reach, they will bring it to. They will go wall and come outside. Now, so she rake that time. People call they say, carry on. Carry on, carry on, carry on. At the end, they not come fit ask Lolekia say, wait till you call talk that they add the matter call waka. Lolekia not fit do anything. Nothing. When Monica called the town and said, this woman not getting a match today. Many people say, no, we shall see. At the end, because she be shame and disgrace, call it all of the. She and her follower body, my beautiful people. Shame and disgrace, call enter Lolekia and her crew body. Now, she doesn't start her rake again. Because when you dey rake, before you talk something, make sure say you go feed one. It's not by force to talk. If you don't want to talk, enter your house and relax. But for raking, lying and talking what you know you cannot do, lying and raking up and down, I will do this, I will do that. Not to magbe to fele. Also, our mommy really know the kind human being when you be. So my beautiful people, now so she take record those rake that time. No, people was like now so Lolekia can get power. Now so I be called the whereas Lolekia not get shit for yansh. When she go sit down, she'll call the talk waiting. She don't know. Lolekia will call sit down, call the talk on that person. Lolekia, you know they talk your own. She know they ever talk. And please share this video, guys. Lolekia never born a Lara visuegbe. You know they ever talk your own. Me I the shame for you. My Monica is a woman, a great woman. She know the lie. I buy this one. I buy this one. Because they say, oh yeah, in best side people. May they call the post. Where the house? At the end now, they say your address and your man. You dey one side, your man dey one side because you be longer throat. Lie, what you not go fit do? You go to talk for social media. Oh, man. Now, so you feel tell them say my Monica no go born enter UK. They UK there with you. Where that must of fear cool way. You are not the rake. You don't need to the rake. You don't need to the rake. They not the talk because the one when you fair rake, every okpama sunu. You say, Mommy Monica, I'll come outside, call they follow you, they rake. He go carry, he go cut, he go do this one. No, he not follow you talk. He leave you when you they mad. That's why no one, that's why no one zagalele, ya no agbeo. But when time reach, the day of your birthday is surprise you with a package that you don't expect. That is the reason why they say, entry dome, na so lad, now they lad. They say actions speak louder than voice. Now, so she say fool herself for social media. Please share this video, guys. Fool herself up and down. Make people for the front. Who you be when they fear you? Who you be? Your social media birthday, you not fit go. Umami go ya show. You know say that they cry for a power birthday, that they cry for so birthday. Who they cry for so birthday? Birthday will be like whether for do a meteor or popcorn. When it be like say people run come up for the area, be for the street when you for do birthday. Now be that they cry, they expect. Sit down and reason your life. So my beautiful people. She can't come out today. Stop that. Stop it. Don't turn it. 9. Give it to me. Don't drink and I won't turn the rest for them. You understand? Please share this video, guys. Please, as you are coming in, please don't fail to share. Share, my people. Today night, don't say come outside with her frustration. When you know, say people don't know you for me, then I also lie you, they lie up and down. She can't do, they don't see anything do again. Say, now say Esther, don't buy in a human being. When you they talk, Esther don't buy in a human being when they fear. Better person there when you they talk say now say if you're a puppy, if you come UK. Now that fear made them for say you good. Now you but they do. Not be saying you love any one of them. It's not that maybe you like any one of them. Just because you maybe they don't give you small money or you want to talk, maybe people say you be better person, maybe everybody not call they look say you be bad person. That is the reason why I start dog by you not when you do leg like limit pit. Now you cause it dress body. That one not the pity me in not the pity. Because time they call you go most definitely beat that one come outside. Hands down. I want to make Bellati. Hands down. You must definitely still beat and good evening, my big mommy. Good evening, ma. You are welcome, my big mommy. You must still beat and start up by you come outside. Mona support her. Mona do this one. So me not going on my beautiful people. As I call the night person send the video for the video when she do. See, does she start her rake again? Because now so she first said they start oh. At the end when hand go call the meter, people go say, no talk now. If I bug Allah like but no me not talk. Because okay, whoever phone, if you don't find trouble, you go come enter house, you go come keep quiet. If I call the meter up and that people go call the town say, pity, you know they talk now, live on now. Because the upper eye now begin they look and now make it they mad, they colo up and down for street and nobody finds chain. Make they take chain or lay care for inside house now, make they call her in order. They live on now, make they back like dog when he born one pikin. They live Loleka and made the back like dog. Esther now with the do she's like now you go still be to come outside. You know say Esther, you know say only son when you're national like this if be. Your lap it be like 3 years old picking. If time reach us and I go see all your secret of make belek on social media. As you take the vandalize, as you take they do up and down, all the nyaga now fake account go first disconnect of faculty. All the fake account we have on this social media and she gets her. You go first start and take bully your head. Again, they regret you know say you not fair fat. You not get you fair. If he bully you 2 times, na admission, they will go admit you for hospital. Now they pretend say na better person. They clap and follow Lolekia. Because now you are the bag of what Lolekia the movie wagi and winner. Now they send the message when they call they do or do. Go reach this shameless he goat. When he leave his family for us, say, oh man, we don't know responsibility to handle at the same time. He leave his family for us when he come from Vito. Then they give na shishi now. Make that they blackmail, make that they lie up and down for social media. You die happy, that they happy, so fire down. After set at dawn, now you go be the next person when go see take sweep ground. If you not cause you go take sweep ground. Because when you got talk the matter, if you tire, go on your best at Okpaji. Because now, they're not near you now. They say anybody, any puppy, oh you want her ransom if I bola we belo leka no go bijou. No go fia cool lelo leka share one mama. They say your beds now. Single mother bed supposed to deal with. A bed when or the allow, what is spoil your bed? Really, single mother will not get husband. Wait till they read the spoil single mother bed that share. Well, you know they ever talk your own. Who not for what? At the work, I never see well looking for work. As you call propaganda arrangement, the tossing and your own good pass you for don't even show way for me, never see way for the work. You go buy this thing, you go buy that when the food supermarket, the shirt, the day online, the day everywhere. You buy and put on. They not they see when you take they do video, they enter inside the working place. Maybe see video, the working place and your workers. I been now let you want to that place. Oh, okay, I share one on my man. Now let you want that working place. Because now, sis, when you take come out, go UK now you call it. I work. Please share this video, guys. If you are coming in, please don't fail to share. I work. Who cares if you are working? That is your fucking headache. That is your own fucking headache because you know say you know if you can sit down for UK government, make the call they feed you. You know that very well. When my money can sit there on you now, you dey tell say puppies, if first come, they do anything. Now say you go pepper them. Now say you go do unwaga bue lo leke unwaga bue. Even when I got talk boy, let you see the shame. See, they show your rake. No one they get here. Stop raking. Oh, they put right for you. Oh, gya. It doesn't start rake again, my beautiful people. You will have yourself to blame. You not first say not get document. Yeah, and then you want talk. You first come and say, money cannot get document. You not go fit call you kill. Lie yo. Mona bet at the end. Nah. It tells say mona relax. It they come. Oh, man, get it over wherever they born la we. It not can really come into. So if they really pull mirror, may they pull glass for I mean they look lie. Now you they yourself for media. Now you they disgrace yourself like really. When you come and say I will deport her, I will do her like this, I will tell her I have passport. Are you coloring? Are you soloquizing? What did your passport is doing for you now? 0 over 100. Now you UK Netherlands passport. Now you want to take propaganda for UK. Now share one of mama vandalizing. Go talk as us to take fuck you. You know Greek go talk as us to take fuck you. As you take the vandalize up and down the fuck all Arabu bed, they bed the way you want your law. Your bed, they say na like because do your bed cause they get different voicemail. Your bed, you know what different voicemail. You make kwanga about the bed the way whether your bed KFC, McDonald's, Burger Kings. Lolekia go yo putoto awa ashewo gbereyin wo we ye pa person say in no want make you the putoto for am again. You want faint, you no see get peace of mind because nobody go want look that your dirty smelly kpekus. Nobody go want look, nobody go green look. Light, please share this video, guys. Share around my people. Nobody say not they look again because that your TOT now bad luck. They give people they go. Oh no, we here. Sometimes you want to give your best friend. You want to give him a TOT for where? Are you not ashamed? You don't feel deny all those things because no know what they swear put. You not feel deny because if the TOT don't they scratch it will be like when they put water yam test rub body. Or you know me water yam now you take rub body. Lolekia TOT go you do like when they put bone for ground when dog they want buy because of bone. Lolekia go you they run up and down. Fair. Are you not ashamed? Coming out and still having mouth to talk upon all your rape. Please share this video, guys. If you are just coming, please don't fail to share this video. Share so that more people will come in. Please try to share this video out. When your TOT, everybody don't know you. They say your bed, it can't get reggae tune, it can't get vibration, it can't get auto, it can't get bass, it can't get treble. All the old voice when you get, all the old voice when it day, your bed get them. Waiting cause spoil your bed. What is your bed? When she still remain our leader. She still remain our leader because who were for? You're finished. See, really, you say you be single mother. Wait till really spoil your bed. Can't tell us. Wait till spoil your bed. Why your bed can't they make noise? Only bed only you want to sleep. Even though now you want to pick the sleep. And wait till spoil her. When they waited them, you see Martin they talk. I will deal with you. You have to don't put the lie you lie. At the end, no one get head. Lolekia bed. He get audio treble, reggaeton, Samsung, Nokia, enemy, Nokia, no techno reggaeton. He get all of them. If you just enter ready to dance, follow that bed. If na monkey style, where what the edge of bed so bed cry Arabu and all those best. They don't let Lolekia. They don't let bed best cause they cry bed in a vie. Bed cause wait till he go do you he go spread. Bed go look up and they cause wait till he go do Lolekia make him area because this bed not spoil no. Bed the other way go. Oh, yeah, wait till make your bed they do. As this share now, don't they use this share now more than 1 year plus? Yeah, get to 1 year now. This share they go now, not it one. It they steady because now let me want the user. Wait till come make your bed, come get reggae tune, get bass, come get all the old bass. When we they fight for the world, the bed what we see one. Your bed come they sing to bed when I go, why your bed when not having. Rigitu, bass, treble, a bed for what now? When you be saying I lay one read they sleep the bed. If you wait at easy me, even though you they sleep, even though 3 people can't join you sleep for the bed go make cool. But based on say morning, afternoon, night, a bed de lo leke be ma okay bed the bed ogisu leave me alone, leave me no, leave me alone, I beg I don't tire, leave me alone, I beg neighbor, are you there? Bed call the shark neighbor, I beg, Mona rescue me for this one. Bed is so where I want to buy me, I beg, come for my rescue. Bed is not one, see one. Why will your bed will not be singing unnecessary singing on your room? Bed is not bed is not gaga. Bed is not fear to share one of mama we no well we no vawa. We no vawa. Bed is not so I go. Why must your bed cry? There is monkey style and dog style. Morning, bed no go get rest. Afternoon, bed no go get rest. Midnight, bed when bed they relax. When you go sleep, nobody go know so they that room. Bed why be so me. Everybody where bed say bed saying go spoil. It go spoil. If it not spoil, Lolekia no go let her rest. In your manariane egbe okay Lolekia. Wait till spoil your bed. Come first, explain to us before you start your raking on social media. Please share this video, guys. Come and explain to us. Because see the phone now say you get bad mouth. All the one when you they hide. Come outside, come confess. Stop that. Come outside, come confess. You not agree confess. Umanadia confess. I share war. Please share this video. You refuse to come outside and confess to the world and say, see what you do. Oh, see you don't know say your toto, you go feel really fuck your friend husband. Oh, really see you don't know say you go feel put toto he go train station, not wear pants. He come up for this Arab when he day old lad yan for Arabu they come na atioti atoto na they know how to learn Arab when they never bath. Where else one learn because of if they just give you €5. If they just give €5, you should take buy McDonald's. If go your call the enters morning, afternoon, night. Lolekia go your day with man. Lolekia they call and Lolekia no go come out. Lolekia wa make ya ah God, why you not carry Ogiagbe? So no boss wanna give Lolekia mu Giagbe. Whether you don't even carry the Ogiagbe now, now make you do. Some are don't come and I make you never hear your secret. If call don't call. My people, relax. Allergy. My people, na allergy. Re. I'm not to working with me. Na allergy, man, I give for a allergy not can finish for your body. You are still coming out again now. You don't see this everywhere. Don't cool. You want to see come out with different strategy with you and your dirty, sticky, useless Esther Nekwemu. Esther, we don't know if from the back when they drag on other people's husband. When he still born for how many men for Bogo, then if I born la we bello, like no when Monica talk bue. Since you say it matter, no go let you leave anytime we take talk, you no go mind your business. Esther leg and as responsible women leg they be now so it be. When if you pull her like that, you go see yourself for River Niger. Oh yeah, water. Una tuna descend. Ekiere wasimiji. Now people cassava, people husband cassava, none of the fight put. So the same feather bed with the same feather flows together. So there is nothing new there. There is nothing. Please share this video, guys. There is nothing new there because una tuna descend. Say if anybody match anything, anybody near Esther. Now you get puppies because you not get good people when they follow you. You not get responsible people when they follow you. No. Okay. Oh, thank you. Juice. You don't have responsible people when they follow you. You understand? When you go give you advice. Just see come outside and Monica matter you want to delay any moment, any minute. Monica don't have his own topic. When he just look up and then go say what you want to do. When Monica talk good. I build when Monica deva or where. When they say you know they let you the rest. When you will get husband, will be a woo your man not be man. Men are participating in their wife life. Your man cannot participate, a good participate in your life. So you are dead jealousy of people. Please share this video, guys. Your man cannot participate. You now you they drive your man. A responsible women and men they drive them. Later they'll come to drive it, they drive by themselves. At the end, what do we have in your own? Are you not the one driving up and down? Because your husband is a sickler. They didn't say people when they get bad thing for body now, they want me that they carry bad thing when they their body, they give another person. And you are the number one buller on social media, bully people husband. You say as they pain. They never boo your husband, you are who you are, now you get a who you are a husband. When they wear bulletproof jacket for summer, make they show your man, you go wear bulletproof, you go wear jacket, you go wear shirt fully size before you go wear jacket. Everybody they put body, they wear small shirt now. All that for now bulletproof, you see they wear up and down. Good day, you are welcome. Please share this video, guys. Now you get man when you not get head. Now you get man when you not know in front from the back. Now you get man when you not they responsible. Man when cassava don't buy or that fake loleka cassava not the work. Wait till make you the fuck up and down. Wait till make your bed spoil. Not because say your man hey. Then now they go there. A great weapon. You don't fair use and. Cassava not come strong again. Waste don't finish. When waste don't buy for man body. When you want to see a prick, when you want to fuck you. Or even when waste don't already go down. No, don't come. Okay, sit down. Yeah, sit down. Sit down. When waste don't finish, my people. When you want to see cassava, when you want to fuck loleka, now make una see am. If they vandalize up and down. Then you see coming out. You know, say, you come outside and tell us what I say, you not get document. So how many will want believe from you? You not get to. Now say, man, oh, you not wait to. You then forget what you talk for social media. You know wait to make your document strong, oh. Now you make them, oh. Now you can't leave a man, oh. Now you make them, oh. But at the end, you will see the one that say, no, go see enter UK. Now your head, you tell enter UK. When you enter UK, everybody see on a flight she use. She's land for airports. Your own, we don't know when you enter UK, whether na bus you use, whether na ship you use, whether na train you use. No, we don't know. We don't know as the lake and if I like which work, but my man in the lake like UK here. We don't know as to take enter. Suddenly, now we take see you and your children. We don't know where on pass, whether on fly overnight or whether on pass on top of the scene and leg on take what can enter UK. We don't know. We don't know. We don't see her. My mommy on the social media, my mind way allow. But a person that said she cannot enter, she cannot do this at the end. Everybody know when she enter. Everybody know how she take command. So you and Nana, who they talk truth. You and Monica, who they talk truth. Can't you see you are the biggest liar here? Because you say, you don't go come. They don't pursue one for us. They don't pursue one for Joshua. You don't do this one. They say if you hear fail, you go. You they crave a bog and loud, but when Monica got to boy. I don't forget all the rake you rake. That she cannot go anywhere. They don't do her this. They don't do her that. They don't do this one. At the end, okay. Shebi we see her for UK. She did there with two sisters. What at the end? What do you feel? So now, my beautiful people, she don't come outside again. They say it's not threat. Who are you threatening? Who you they threatening? If I born like you, I share one of my man. Oh, you they threat, you get threat when you never feel bad. Look at that day here, you never even see lawyer paper, you are not begging for money. So you and her who is living better life. She really shows to us that she is the one that really helps you. One and no, not be you help her. Now she really helps you. One and here. Now what's up the first one give me? Please share this video, guys. Because I hate person when they rape. Because my video never come outside that they can't analyze them.
Those ones who sit down and say, we should be united, we should do great things, this is the time for you to
come down.
card number. In fact, it won't be difficult to find you before again.
Shut up your mouth. Please share this video, guys. Mona, yeah, please share this video, guys.
Come out in massive to come and support
the sister. Mona, yeah, video wait to the way they say, give me.
These attention seekers, don't let them ruin this occasion this time again. They don't deserve 1 minute of the attention.
Shut up your mouth there. Shut up your mouth.
Don't give them
Which attention that they rule for you and Esther if a bona wife has been no good beluwa. Which attention are they ruling you now? Because now if you want to now the fear put. What to make you not come a party? Not be fear you the fear because we got you bailing. Why you not come? You not say a pan or your mama or your papa. Wait till come make you call the run up and down. Wait till come make you call the fear now. Attention. Now you want speak for Esther will be like a butterfly. Now you want talk for Esther. Esther, when where you going and she want talk for you. Now I said down rule line. Now no. You and then we got where we say and then we got you know go die better because I go where to what for. You don't see where you see shit, pussy, don't shit for them, don't use Bible clean yansh. Now another place that you want to see wrong, go make the city say you be better person. Oh my God. Mona here.
After a bad birthday, they are still in shock. All of them, including their madam, their everything, they are still in shock. So don't give them the attention.
Mona here my people, una here, una see yeah person. She they tell us I said they are still in shock, but they are madam they. Birthday, your so birthday will be like weather for break hand. When it be like weather for the break hand upon the announcement and all you when they talk, why to make you not call UK if a bola we be. See, person when they talk, she not fit buy tickets call UK because she not say she not go fit beg. When they see buy a ticket, because you not see ticket, you not see money when you go take buy ticket. You when you not call, they talk say people shock. Who call shock? You when not fit call your papa birthday, not be your own call worst pass. The rest people is even more better than you. You even come for bed job better pass you. You not even see money take call your papa when you say now your papa now your godfather. They ran in your bioke kore. You not fit attend her birthday. So you are not there talking nonsense. Their mother, you see? Now so she tell the start. Now their mother was so shocked. Shock of whether for break hand. Birthday when people not shop food. Birthday when people not go eat, when they not cause use they laugh there tomorrow. Say hey. The shop will not give them food, they not drink our food. Where people come, they not eat. So sit down, please. Take. Where people come, they not eat. Please share this video, my people. Where it be like whether for the break carne. Where people come, they not eat. Fear not let them shop because of so wife and his husband. Men they not go see their face for grandfather when they eat. Men they not go screenshot and all. Also screenshot and record that they record. Men they not go screenshot them. They suffer do, they suffer not, they not eat. May not say they not come, may not see use they do saga. Now what it make the rest people come. If you look the party, which better person did the party? Better people come the party when they say they were so shocked. You don't see birthday with Monica do. He's so as Parara cost rich. People, GPC one I want die put carry Monica go give a Parara say. Mom, talk about this our great mommy. Are you not ashamed of yourself? He said their leader were so shocked. They were so shocked. Shock of where they for break hand and when people not agree eat. Party when people not agree shop. Party when people not agree drink water. Party when people not agree drink. You were not telling us say now so they shock. Now so you tell they deceive people. I pity people when they deceive anyway. You like to deceive people. But you not see money now take buy drink take go there. You like to deceive people. Please share this video. Come on, I can't hear no lekia oh. Now, so she said they stand a video when she do today. Now be this. She said they were so shocked, including their madam. Oh, the trouble again. And Monica, when Monica talk boy. Never. You supposed to mind your business and focus on your life. Help yourself and help your life. Forget about Monica because she have already left you behind. Nothing on earth will make you. Nothing on earth will make Monica come close to you. It's like you don't still understand this, all those issues, all those matter, all those things you are just doing because nobody is going to take you as Monica take you. So that is the same cry you are still crying today. God is too faithful because the plan when you be plan for Monica now maybe say something happen to an enemy at the end nothing because the same man propose why God dispose. So all the plan the evil plan, God dispose all of them. No one come to pass. No one agree work. So now they say he shock all of them. My people, that one a birthday. Una not see when Davido pikin do bad. Davido self too high. Una not see when Toto DK normal people self when they this Jamie go do their children birthday. Everywhere go full, no space. Where the you know see the, go watch the video again. Nobody say I they pay you. Please share this video, my people. Loleke say I they pay you because you see I take watch Kate's marriage Cut the disconnect cake the day of your wedding. You not gonna see I take wash your papa bet. You not gonna see I take wash your own papa birthday. May you know as the shirt take discount. It be like when they throw corn for inside bush. It be like when they throw corn for inside bush. Now so the party be that is like they pay you. I bet I guess pest when I go give you. May you take watch the video very well. Even your papa was so ashamed of himself or that birthday upon when he tried to make peace with people so that make people for come. At the end, people did not turn up. Now still with a beg, why get we movement now? I'm gonna not let she catch me while I now. I'm gonna couple their beg. People still refuse to come because I can't ever hug your buy. Don't want to carry ever hug your bar. They say when they refuse to eat. Now you are saying he's shocked then. Now you is shocked. Now you in pain because he pay you. Nobody agree go. You yourself, you know, somebody take buy ticket, go to see your papa birthday, go greet your papa. So you are not here now talking nonsense. Even they are lady shop. You not see birthday when Monica do. When mommy birthday Monica, you don't see birthday when Monica do. Go ask Parana how much they take. If you want say Parana, just talk for my matter. Go, just call and hide. Tell her say how much you take they talk about person. Just talk and small. Maybe you. Whether your people go both give Parana money, make it come take hail. You know say Parana take hail our leader. Oh my God, she said remain our leader. Not going back, no surrender. If you like, you cry blood. Many me waje me money can me do na asa. So where my anywhere, nothing on earth will change me. So if you don't know, make you know now. Say if it easy, why foul not the peace? You do that, then nobody even give you gift or pencil. Say pencil, now be the jealousy. Even super chat, you know, even still give you 50 euro. Why you not go cry? Why you not go jealousy? Go and call Parana, ask Parana, say Parana, oh, I beg, I be want to give you something. Just form, may they give you strategy to call Parana. Just ask Parana because me don't feel call them before. You understand? Just call Parana, tell them. Say how much you go fit talk about somebody. Just hear the price. If you go fit share stand. You don't get group when you got that scatter for your heart. Share this video, my people. Group when you got that, your boys are here. Ogbeti. I make an agbeti. Agbo. I make egbagbon with fear. Go and ask. You don't see the birthday. Go when people the happy birthday. My mama this one for Canada. My mama this one. How many people thought say? Oh, you can't wait for that. Many people thought say. Now this person say make I wish you birthday. If they even common gift when it's small like this, like pencil, then I will give you. Why not go cry? Why not go get lost about Monica? Who must so woo? So we must so like be. Birthday gift, you don't even see who even use your name. Go and bring your cup. Go and bring the cup. You don't even see people when even use your name, take shots. You don't see now. She don't see. Please share this video, my people. Oh, sorry. Go and bring your cup. No, don't disturb me now. Take. Yeah, take. No, don't throw it away. You want to throw it away. Oh, my people. She don't see my people. I'm here. Come, guys. Take. Come on, take. You just want to cry. You just want to cry. You know that? You just want to cry. Please share this video with the con because you won't wear my me. Me as a because you won't because you wear man. You're the shit for body. I dare here. Me winner. I get one. Take, darling. I'm sorry, please. Yeah, take. Okay, no, not disturb me. So my beautiful people, please share this video, guys. Good evening, my darling. You are welcome. I'm gonna share. I'm gonna share. More than up GPC. Oh yeah, money. You don't talk and finish, my darling. Oh yeah, money, go ahead. The money be like big Cubana. He want to say in a Igwe wife Cubana won't boo. Can I walk slippers will be Cubana wife wear you go both wear. I will Igwe wife Cubana won't boo. If you try and cop Cubana again. If you try and call Cubana when your husband say they wear bulletproof jacket for summer, if now so big Cubana take wear bulletproof jacket, now if he make money when he make it about after Kunle. Hey, my people, birthday gift, they not see. He said that they're jealous. He said he shocked their mother. He only the birthday. Mama, this one for Canada. Mama, this one for UK. You not see all over the world. Everybody were wishing. Even president not get the respect when my Monica get that. The one not go cry. Why not go cry? He said he shocked them. He not shock us. Nothing happened. He be like waiting for the break. I know why I cannot break a can. A birthday. In my Monica open dance floor where everybody come. What go there? The police go there to call the guide people because that place go too full. Please share this video, guys. It go too full. No, it go too full, my people. Now go ask Parana how much that if you say me Parana talk for your matter, not be say they're not the social media now. You can get a contact there. Go and look for Parana contact for a Facebook page. Go ask Parana and say, I want to do something. No, I bet you go here moshi. Oh yeah, money go easy. When I say iron lady there, the iron lady there, iron lady. You see that GPC, now make you see that you don't want to say GPC because they not say now women ne what so to women when you gallant. Women when he they when at the day. Now they make you see all of them. They begin to cry because they don't see one kid. They can never get group where you go feel be like GPC. Mona go maka everywhere. Eka gbode. You know they don't get where they want gather any group called GPC or even they. You know get yo. Because they make una say they cry. It shocked them. Birthday not get hurt. Your papa birthday. Or mama motor. You know, say everywhere, social media, they bomb, they be say, Monica, they do bad everywhere. Now for Nigeria, now for Germany, now for America, now for Canada, everywhere. In social media, if you enter tomorrow, so they talk to you today. People see they post our birthday. Your papa do birthday, be like where foul for shit, clean your shit. Now make us then a shame still they catch your papa. So you don't need to come bring that one and say, it shocked them. Now, mommy Monica birthday shock una. And no go ever fit do birthday like mommy Monica own. It not day. It not day. Only the gift, only the thing when Monica do. Why I be so. Why you so not fit one? If he share stamp, only people when he help for street when they call, only that prayer alone, he make her go higher. Not soon on the plan when he go do shit. Eka he wear raw. So now that must make una they cry now. They talk nonsense. Mona here, oh. Share this video, guys. Mona here.
All right. So until morning to their madam, you know she's suffering from dyslexia. Dyslexia means people who forget. You teach them something now they don't remember.
You just say the type of person. Even they suffer when the husband they suffer strong sickness for body. He never come outside, come analyze and make you can't tell people. This how to know who know how to blackmail person. They find who she want blackmail. Up and down, they are leader, they are this one, they are that one, because you are nowhere to be found. Loleke is nowhere to be found. All our own is to bully because of jealousy, because of hatred. Say, why it be say? Because when enemy they plan evil. When it be say the evil no go body go they pepper them, and they not go ever rest until the thing kill their heads. Now be Loleke also. Even they sick, una say not say because of someone, and I make una say everywhere does it they okay. If God don't go all good, no go gree finish. Ask me whether na only one get alegi. Now make it get mad now. What they talk waiting she not know? They talk nonsense or talk foolishness. Upon all the talk when you talk, it not stop. People say continue loving her. Because people now got to say, let us even go close to this lady and let even see the kind of person she is. And people get close to her to see that she's a nice person. She not get her now, all she they do. She gets her own business, she is a busy type. She's not like you. No, you are crying up and down. Now they did this one. Your man, when they sick, nothing but you know they are on your own. You don't ever come outside, can't tell us what to make your man sick and you. No. So for you to come and bring a bad birthday into this issue, that so shows that the jealousy never see come up for our body. For you to come bring a bad birthday there, and so, matter, call this social media, call this one who this so it shows that you are jealous. Because birthday, you not shame, not let you go. Sorry, sit down. Birthday, not let you go. You now, you not go birthday. You say he paid them, he shocked them. Oh, he can't shock. You don't know say even your papa self can't even the shame. You can't even the shame. You can't even the shame. Hey, yeah, thank you. Love this my profile picture. Thank you, my darling. Thank you. Wanna share the video, guys. Wanna share and I don't be a call ya men usaga. You know, see, when you do birthday, what did you get? Did anybody even know if you are existing? Did anybody even give you gift or penny? You not see now. So when she can't do everywhere, blast. This one for Nigeria, this one for here, this one for there. I wish you happy birthday. This one say make I wish you. So person, mama twin, mama fine boy, mama. Where? Oh, what did you see? Listen, guys.
After what they go through, they don't remember. They just forget themselves.
So the second they forget.
Jog a memory. You know, when you do a video and you keep it, it helps. So they go back and go and look at it again and again. So I am here to jog a memory. So this message is to their leader, okay? Because yesterday I saw her coming out and then rehearsing all what she went through, like a Quran recitation.
See who they talk, oh. Mona, see who they talk when body not complete for. Egbe magbane lo lekia. Now, she dey found she want to cover up and down, they lie up and down. Because shame don't finish there. What he is supposed to do, he don't know afraid from her right, he don't know her right from her left. No, a leader do this one. He need to go watch the video. He don't need to go watch the video. Now you want to talk and you when you they wash. The day of your birthday, they don't break your side mirror. The day of your birthday, they break your side mirror. Any rock mama go on at the end and cut paper and knock. Kiaku, if they happy, you order gift, you order birthday gift when you go to the open door. You are born of fear, let say the surprise and we give. Now I made that surprise, you see they sweet me to tomorrow. Because if you don't run open door, if you want to use a for social media, hey, somebody here bought me a gift. Somebody want to buy me a gift, surprising gift. As you open door, now you hear gang, sign here, sign here, sign here, sign here. He pay na Isha, she feel sleep. She not feel sleep. He pay her reach inside bowl. She want faint. You when you say you be organic man, you be let's do challenge as Mommy Monica talking. May two of una come as may they do challenge. May also go for yakata for grant. If all those your organic poto no run leave you for social media. When we fair tie. If all those your organic poto no run leave you. Come when it comes to all your money. Come and shop my money. I don't go yaman. If all of them not run, you want to use all those your organic poto, take compare iron ladies. You know. Spend the money, chest the money, wire the money. Where have you want to use and compare those organic poto the whole one. Ave the huemo ave kia. Oh, but I'm kia them we go. How when the whole cassava when not the whole money. You want use shine your shine. Oh God, you want use shine your shine. They're ready to do anything for their leader. Because this one you can't survive it. Oh, if you try yourself. You want to do competition with shine your shine. Hey, yeki 1 billion stone. If you not lost, and why you better like how you wish. Oh, when man wish when we there. Oh, when man wish bush. If you not lost for bush, when we there, we are must we. Oh, I come to compete. You fear it shock you now. The time when you did like that lad now, you can't see cry come outside. It's the beg go. Because everybody say, wire me your account. Yours they bring down social. If you don't send your account, it shock you now. It not shock you. It shock you. If they say more to call to competition. Sorry, darling. Sorry. You know say they say more to come do competition. Say more to do competition. Say when to come do competition, you know say it go not be one if shine your shine. You know, not we never even go to GPC. A ladies na ya hio, a man a big banner. I mean, na ya hio, we never even go there. Let's talk about the lovers first. Call go GPC. You go lost. Nobody, all those organic poto Allah, they fed they run leave you now. The day of your birthday, when the letter show, they come they say, come on the phone for speaker, come on the phone. Shine all your money. God bless you. Mona you shine all your money. Oh, bekwa. You there. Sit down. Sit down. You understand? All your money, talk bekwa, the money they throw away. The money they throw away. The money they throw away. You go your carry atata for nothing sake. If you say na lie, you say, if you not do competition, you know say you not go feel beaten in any way, in any angle. You know by yourself. And now that one you see they cry put today because women too much. Women, good women when they love money, can they have bugbe when ya? You know quite alright. They can't do anything for her to be happy. They can do that. Make you like the monkey go do setup. Say, his brother enemy they sick. He not see money. He like really. When money can come outside, just announce him. Put your account for them. Account go the ring. Let's go the enter. You know, know. But now we are now one spoil her name. Now na they fine. Oh, kwa look any baba fear cool luwa no good belu wajanta. Now na the fire panda. Now jealousy wants to buy you now. You know the jealousy won't finish you. The Kate and Fed Beauty Class, Bianca, Melissa, where they today. You not use the dump them. You use the finish, you throw away them. At the end, I should be now the now know the kind of human being they be. That one they live video that they thought say the same they read talking. Monica, you really good past Lolo. Now you know. We will get when our eye they reach everywhere, get microscope, wanted to view everybody. When I say we don't know what we they talk. Please share this video, guys. If you are coming in, please don't forget to share. Money. Oh, Biku. You say, I'll be Obikuba, Obikubana, Ogwagbo. Not let me hear anything about Obikubana for your maths. Because if now your math, they wear bulletproof day and night. Now, so Obikubana, they wear bulletproof jacket. Me, sure Obikubana go Ogame hotel. Oh, Obikubana, Obikubana. You lie, job mate, your man not fit do anything. Agbomama, that for. Sit down, sorry. Sit down. Take. Choose. Agbomama. Igwe. Now that if you repeat them, if you let Obikubana wife here, you learn one chance. If you like all the poor angry. Now so Obikubana do now Obikubana now they use money to they blow ball, they kick on, they chest and they knock out the money like they now knock on like they now use leg kick on. Igwe not get palace, Igwe drive your man off it drive. Talk less of na they do for the way we ne ayawa. A Jonas oh that's what they chat. Those who drive will kill somebody. Those who drive will kill somebody. Oh God. Oh we God done it all be Kubana here no good boy. You think say that kind of husband now be Kubana beat to a wife. We not get mad to even drive. You will be woman and you feel the drive. Your husband and you go, let me check the back. When you get side mirror, both and side. You get front, you get left, you get right. You get mirror, wait till they look back. Lalekia go say me you they do conductor. You know don't see where they do conductor follow person for her bro. If you wait till Lalekia man moto gbe okwe. Sorry, wait. Enter. Yes, where is the cook? I'm here. Eat right there. I'm sorry, darling. Wow. Wow. It's okay? Okay. Now that kind of life. wife now be Cubana leave. No fear who. Now that kind man now be Cubana be. When not fit drive. You say see they drive, they follow corner. Your man. How many times we don't see your man carry you for motor? No, stop that. Stop now. Where is your soccer? Remove. Yeah, go and bring it. Please share this video, guys. Obi Cubana. Can you imagine? He's saying Nana Igwe Cubana. If I bug Allah, but really? You like better tea, but where to we go? But no, we can't we go. How wait the you know yeah when Obi Cubana say that his wife when he marry and na this thing boss quarter na for no his wife. At the end, look at what it become today. You will say, you know, if you help man make it better. If I bug Allah will be. Did you know the stress and the work Obi Cubana work for a husband, Obi Cubana wife help his husband? You don't know. Yeah, go on, go on. You just want to disturb me. You just want to disturb me. So please share this video, guys. Wanna hear?
She was reciting her ordeal like Quran recitation. Oh my God, I felt so sorry.
Very shameless human being.
It's so crazy, you know. She was just reciting the whole thing like a Quran, like those people who recite. The place where she live, I already have it. So any nonsense from you, you're gonna be held responsible.
Shut up your mouth. Anywhere she live, anywhere she stay, you know where she. Your boyfriend cover your rake no good. I don't know why it be say that they catch you for here, you go the wrong go. Why you really be say you really be like that? Now okay, wait for corner, you do you like that? Why it be say though they catch Loleka for Loleka go the pass on that play. All what you have said is how many years it work. Loleka husband not the sea road now. Thank you. Other friend you there okay. They pay now. If they say I know your address, I know your this, I know your name in document. You will if I come at that time, you tell us say now so you won't carry enemy, go back. Now so you go you do this one. Now so you know boy enter UK. Now so that be so you tell us. You say no go boy enter he say if he try and enter this UK. Eruta me man. At the end, you don't the UK since early January. No, now. Oh yeah, go. I go and watch cartoon. Thank you. Sorry. Sorry. Where's your soccer? Yeah, take your soccer. Be your soccer for me. No. Go and be your soccer. She like but no fit work hard. She like big but she no fit work hard. Like where she for one see strength. Strength there. Oh my God, it's okay now. Yeah, take it. No, let come on for you, not right rubbish for you. Please share this video, guys. See your soccer, you see your soccer. Sorry. Not mind that one, make the comment nonsense for them. Not mind them. So my beautiful people, now so more than not listen. This one. More than not listen to her. Now the warrior. Jealousy. Jealousy now enter her body. Will be say she don't know her left from her right. She don't know her right from her left. Jealousy won't finish her. You understand? If they say me there is not to really do competition, you know reach them now. Of which you know quite what I say. When man say we all who are, you know rich. You they do better that day. Organic fans, organic poto. Organic poto, they don't feel offer you pen. They don't feel buy you shoe. They don't feel buy you bag. Nothing. There is nothing like gifts. from them. But they claim they love you. They claim they like you. Nothing. When it comes to support, they cannot even support you financially. Nothing. They cannot. They don't have. So all those one are just may not play. I say we not they follow on with the wash and not go happy. They don't have good thing in your life. They don't. They don't have good thing in your life. They just leave you there, make you enter one chance vehicle. Now you read they enter. Coming at it. Now I know this one. Now so you fair rake. It's not a new thing to me. More than two come on, I can't do challenge. I'm not quite alright. Definitely will beat you down. The gap when it goes, it don't fair gap you already. When it gap you again, you will not remain the same. You understand? You will not remain the same. Sorry now. Yeah, come on, take it. You will not remain the same. Where's the flipper? Give it to me, don't put it. Give it to me, give it. Oh, my people. Hey, yeah. So now, my beautiful people, Tintin, you are welcome, my darling. The Lolekia is full of. Can you imagine? Now, so like they lie up and down, they proud, they talk with it, not be. You understand? Man, not mine now. Where's the yoy? No, not mine. Can you imagine? Now, so in life be so like now they lie up and down. Man, not mind anybody will commit rubbish for you. Who they commit rubbish for you? Man, not mind now. Now, so their life be. If you man, not they reply. If not reply now, if I block, I will block you. Joe. Now, so they be. You understand? All the people where they follow up and down. Shame and disgrace. Now they tell they walk up and down. Shame. You don't know as you want waka again. You don't know as you want to live your life again. Yeah, shame they catch you up and down. You just come outside do that video. When nobody say not do video, now you take do that video. You want your still call rake. No, not say don't fair rake when the rake no one get hate. You see later they toss now solution. Tomorrow now you remember for say deny say you not see anything. So man I tell no so like that she dey lie up and down. Can you imagine? I just like that she dey lie up and down, my beautiful people. Man, I don't mind now. All those one here they do not trouble, and so she they do. If you don't use hand and leg, take find trouble. If you can't hide for his house, or your bubble will go. Let me for they go enter that time you say, man, I live now. Whereas now evil human being, jealousy, no pay nobody we know the get, but you are all too much. Lolekia jealousy is too much to an extent. She not feel they hide down. You say now you they help person before. Now you they carry this person they waka. Now you make them way they feed the shop. Now you make them way they feed they live life. The person can say he no need again. You not gonna feel live and make it do it. You not gonna feel live and make it go. Now you call the crap. That means now she they help you. That means all those clothes, all those things when she return and she they do it for you. That means you don't have money. It is the one doing it because if now you read the hair somebody, now you the carry person responsibility. And the person can say no what. I don't say the reason why you will be crying. I don't say the reason why you will still be crying till today. Your tears never still dry. You are still crying every day. That's to show that she was the one helping you. As your husband talk a lot, say you now she come to a rescue. Now she can't help when hungry, one really kill you. That means the man did not lie. And that man don't know that they say Monica that he don't know. So he talk and say the help when Monica don't do for her family. He never nobody go fit one for her. But at the end, you see come outside and change it. You see come outside and deny that now you be the person when they carry. See today now you dey back. Because she swear put say if now you they help her, he can't swear put. But if now he help you, she can't swear put. But today now back you really did. That's to shows that now she really they help you. Now she really they carry your responsibility. They carry your home. They carry your children. They help you when your husband is not there. Now she called, they give you everything. They buy clothes. He go buy ticket. Go buy for you. Buy clothes. Go buy for you. Buy card. He go buy for you. He eat. He go cut for you. That story shows that she's the one. That is why you are still crying. Because nobody is going to do that for you again. You know this. Nobody, and you know quite already that nobody is going to near you. The kind of human being you are. Liar, recorder, deceiver. People don't know you. You think they don't know what you did? They know. All of them are running away from you now. Nobody go fit follow you play as Monica open her heart. Now make you not feel hammer. Because she used all her might to follow you. Good evening, man. You are welcome, my darling. He used all her might to follow you. At the end, what did you give her in return? Betray. You wanted to betray her. That is the same betrayal you are still doing to today. Now look at the Keto, all of them, they fight for you. Today now you betray all of them. You record them, record them all the time. At the end, not be the same thing when she talk, not because they happen. Oh, wait, I must talk about crow, they know you, they go. You know, say smoke. Hey, smoke not be waiting the fee hide. Smoke is not a thing you will set fire for. You say you lock every must come outside. Carrot and a cloth when they sun for sun. Almost to back here. So many people now really know the kind of human being you are now. All of them are now running away from. Maybe now you are kids now because they do saga. Now the person that support you before they say, I don't need your support. Now by first to do friendship, I better go that side. But the time you were persuading them to support you, the time you were begging them, "Won't not leave me, I beg, won't not leave me," they think you were good, you be better person. After you think you have used them all, you now see come outside. I'm not saying woman. I'm not beg for relation. When they were fighting for you, why can't you come outside and tell them you don't need them? Why you not tell them, I beg, I'm not saying not fight for me, I can fight for myself. Did you say it one day? You were happy. You were going to their platform. Oh, my darling, my darling. Wait till they deceive people put for inside hands. At the end of the day, what happened? Shebi waiting our mommy talk. Shebi now you come to pass. Now they don't know the kind of human being you are. Recording everybody, calling people, recording them. Recording them, playing it with fake account, posting them with fake accounts. They think saying I like that one they talk. Today we call they don't know you. And Maggie Bawe. Borrow, beggy. They're not gonna use and know you. They're not gonna Bawe. I Bawe anyhow. So now it's not supposed to be paying you because bless me. No, that not supposed to run for a fast. So she be I say that one that blessing job. What they call her best friend. Because that time any Timothy is the defender, any Timothy the defender. So this one you not going to defend them again. Now how would they talk now? No, they say if somebody first carry load, if the person you carry no the heavy. When time goes on, we don't carry the load. Say we don't know. Say this load they heavy me with pattern and style. She be go can't drop on. So now what happened between I be this one now? So are you surprised? Bianca, Melissa, Odo, Jasper, Gbogbo, and other. Where are they today? All of them don't run. Nah. Esther Dokpa you do leg like baby bush. Now she can't they follow now. Esther Dokpa you. That one. Mona go maka not see this year ending next day. Go see beat that one come outside. Can't talk I nyash and the TOT before social media. Now fake account go first see the publisher. Why I bet because there's a way to person don't sabi. They say finger. They say blood. It don't decide DNA, not the commons. So she don't sabi already, not go ever come because they say nobody they happy. You know, they follow person, they play, replay. It must get your evil mind because she's used to it. It be like say they born that thing. So I don't think anybody can do good for that imbecile that will change her. Never. Nobody can change her. Nobody. She be when my like I say it might make kokoroko. You know they hear, but they say they go on a lie. What can spoil her? She be the kid. Oh dear, talking. When they call he said Bianca talking. Many of them they confess and I say he even Ekia Queen can talk and say he. Now so you might be wicked. She be not be our leader call they talk now. Now they call they talk about themselves to really show the kind of human being you are. Everybody say you not good. You not gonna say now you not good. Fair 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 10 people say you not good. Wow, man, man. Now you not good. All of them you gather and all of them say you are not good. No. So all those organic potato they follow up and that they are just there whiling away time. They support our stupidity. Nothing more. They don't have anything to offer. When it comes to competition right now between Yeye and Iyeki 1 billion, they don't have nothing. They are brokers, lady brokers, nigger people. They cannot chest it at a GPC and the good lover of my Monica they do them now. No, they go leave her for junction instancer. Nobody is going to carry a load. Nobody will carry, all of them will run away from her. No, in fact, nobody go green wash them again. Until the matter does see over, they'll see play waka count. Oh my God! They'll see play waka count say, hey, go don't forget, most go the observer. Now they do one for them, nothing more. Nothing special about her, nothing good about her. All what she knows is to bully people, disgrace people. You understand? Bully people, disgracing people. That is what she knows about. That is the best of her. Now, what she know be down my people. So, thank you very much. I appreciate you. So, I want to round up now. My people, no, I promised now yesterday. For that party, when people said they're doing, they not eat. Well, maybe next time we'll talk about that. But today, now, we'll soon round up now, guys. For that one, why they go kind? You understand? We they talk on small. So, guys, thank you very much. I appreciate you. I'm about to go now. Bye.